we're going to have such a strong, beautiful movement in this country that everybody's going to beat a pass to this door, to Israel Baptist Church, and tell you, how did you do it? And we have one word for them. We did it through Christ. We did it with Christ. And we can't do it without Christ. So I'm excited to inaugurate this movement. We will assemble all of the Christian denominations, all of the denominations that believe in the Lord Jesus Christ, and we would agree, and then we will celebrate, and then this will be a national movement as of next year.